Good morning, students. Today's class, we can discuss about playing with numbers. So, what is mean by numbers? We can discuss first about the what is mean by numbers. So, number is nothing but it's defined as an arithmetical value expressed by a word, symbol, and figures. So, these numbers are expressed by a words. We can be express these numbers by words or by symbol and for figures. These numbers can be written in single digits, double digits, three digits in the generalized form. We can define, we can write the numbers in a single digit, double digit, or in a three digit also, more than that also. So it has these numbers are having different types. So what is the different types of numbers that we can discuss? So types of numbers. A number system is a system of writing for expressing numbers. So to express the numbers, different methods we are choosing to explain the numbers, different types, we made some categories of numbers. So mainly we can divide this, we can split the number system as a six types. Normally we can define this as a more than that it is there, but now you better to learn till six types. Okay, the first one is prime numbers, the second one is even numbers, odd numbers, whole numbers, natural numbers, and composite number. Mainly we classified this as a six types. More than that is there, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers, and all. No need to discuss now. In higher classes we can discuss about other types. So we can discuss only about these six. What is mean by prime numbers? So prime number is nothing but the number divide itself and by 1. So any number, if it divide itself and by 1, other than any number it can't divide by any other number, then that type of number is called prime number. For example, 3. 3 is divided by itself by 3 and by 1. Other than we can't divide by any other number, isn't it? Similarly, for example, 9. 9 is not a prime number. Why? Because 9 we can divide it by 3 and 9 and 1, isn't it? Even extra one number means 3, we can divide that 9 by the number 3, so it's not a prime number. So now for example 11, 11 we can divide it itself by 11 and by 1, other than we can't divide by any other numbers. So this kind of numbers, 1 actually we are considering 1 is not a prime number. We can start from 2, 2, 3, 5. 4 is not a prime number because we can divide this 4 by 2. 5, 6, no, 6 we can divide it by 2 or 3. 7, we can divide it by 7 and by 1. Okay, other than we can't divide by any other numbers. Then 10 we can't, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, etc. These are all called the prime numbers. We can go for the next just briefly we can explain in the next topic. We have this topic expand with the example. We can solve the problems, we can discuss about this topic. So now just I had given the introduction what is mean by prime number. Prime number is nothing but that number is divided itself and by 1 is called the prime number. And even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. These are all the even numbers. These are all the even numbers. Odd number means exclude even numbers, means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. These are all the odd numbers. Okay. And what about the whole numbers? The number which if it start from 0, already we had discussed about whole number 0. If the set of number, if it start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is called the whole numbers. This is called the whole numbers. What about the natural numbers? Natural number is nothing but it start from the set of number will start from 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's called the natural numbers. And the composite number means exclude prime numbers. I said what is meant by prime number. Prime number is nothing but it is the number which divides itself and by 1 is called the prime number. Exclude all the numbers are called the composite number. For example, 4 is not a prime number because it is divided by 2. So 4 is a composite number. 6, it is not a prime number because it is divided by 2 and 3. So it is composite number. Exclude all prime number, it's a composite number. Okay, so this is about small introduction for the numbers. Okay, the next we can discuss the very important topic is factors and multiples from the number. Factors and multiples. What is mean by factors and multiples? Factors and multiples. So factors and multiples. Some numbers, for example 2. Some numbers, it doesn't have a more than that. It has a some fixed factors. Factors are fixed. Okay. So what does mean by factor? I'll give an example. 6. So we can multiply. We can split this 6 as a 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6, isn't it? 6 we can write as a 2 3s are 6. Or 6 into 1 or 1 into 6 or 3 into 2. Both are equal. Like according to the commutative property, A into B is equal to B into A. Both are same, isn't it? So now 2 into 3 or 6 into 1, the answer is 6. Okay. So these numbers are called 2 and 3 are called the factors of 6. Other than 2 and 3 or 6 and 1, we won't get any other factors. Why? Because see, while dividing, if you consider 6, if you divide this 2, 2 3s are 6, we'll get the remainder 0. Means what? This number is exactly divided by 2. The number 6 is exactly divided by 2. Therefore, we got the remainder 0. For example, same, I'll take this, I'll divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6. The remainder is 0. Means what? The 6 is exactly divided by the number 3. I'll take the number 6. So 6, I'll divide 6 ones are 6. The remainder is 0 again. The 6 is exactly divided by 6. I'll take 1. 1 6 are 6. The remainder is 0. In all these 4 cases, we'll get the remainder 0. Means what? If the reminders are with a 0 means what? The dividend, this dividend is exactly divided by the divisor. The dividend is exactly divided by the divisor means it will get the remainder 0. For example, exclude this 2, 3, 6, 1. Exclude, I will take 4. If you take 4, if you divide this 4, 4 ones are 4, we'll get the remainder 2. Means what? This 6 is not divided by 4 because we got the remainder 2. Means it is not exactly divided by 4. 6 is not exactly divided by 4. Means what? This power is not a factor. Which number is exactly divided by the given number? Any number. So if you get the 0, the remainder is 0, then that number is called the factor of the given number. If you divide by 2, if you divide by 3, if you divide by 6, if you divide by 1, we will get the remainder 0. So means 2, 3, 6 and 1 are called the factors of the number 6. But 4 is not a factor. Why? Because we never got the remainder 0. We got the remainder 2. So means it not exactly divisible by 4. 6 is not exactly divisible by 4. Therefore, we got the remainder 2. We did not get the remainder 0. Therefore, we can say this 4 is not a factor of the number 6. Understood? So, for example, I'll take other number. 5 I will take. If I would divide this 6 from 5 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, the remainder is 1. Again we got the remainder 1. We did not get the remainder 0. Means what? Means what? 5 is not a factor of the number 6. 5 is not a factor of the number 6. So this is called the factor. This is the concept of factor. So factor is the, so the definition for factor is, factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number, exact divisor of that number. So factor of a number means is an exact divisor. Exact divisor means what? We have to get the remainder 0 means it's an exact divisor. If you would get the remainder is more than 0, it's not an exact divisor, isn't it? So for example, I'll take one more example. take the example 10. But 1 is not necessary to write factor, because 1 is always it's a factor of all the number. 1 is a factor of all the numbers, isn't it? So 10, how we can write the 2 into 5, or 10 we can write 10 into 1, or 1 into 10, or 5 into 2, both are same. So now, we can discuss. We can divide the number by 2, 2 5s are 10, the remainder is 0. And I will divide by 5, 5 2s are 10, the remainder is 0. I will divide by 10, 1s are 10, the remainder is 0. I will divide by 1, 10s are 10, the remainder is 0. In all these 4 cases, we will get the remainder 0. Therefore, the number 2, 5, 10, 1 are called the factor of the number 10, or the factors of the number 10. This is the concept of factor. Which number is an exact divisor of the number, that is called the factor of the given number. So for example, if I would divide by 3, 3 3s are 9, 1, we got the remainder 1, means what? 3 is not a divisor, exact divisor of 9, exact divisor of 10, means what? 3 is not a factor of the given number 10, 3 is not a factor. Okay. I'll take one more example. 18. 9 2s are 18. Or 18. 6 3s are 18. Or 3 6 are 18. Or 2 9s are 18. Other than 18, 18 into 1. Other than any other number. So it's no, only these 3, isn't it? If you divide by these all the numbers 18, we'll get the remainder 0. We can check 9. 9 2s are 18. The remainder is 0. By 2. 2 9s are 18. The remainder is 0. By 6. 6 3s are 18. The remainder is 0. By 3. 6 3 6 are 18. The remainder is 0. So 9, 2, 6, 3 and 18 are the factors of the number 18. So now 9, 2, 6, 3, 18 are the factors of the number 18 are the factor. This is called the factor. Okay. The very, very important concept this is. And what does mean by multiples? And factors, see the difference. The factors are fixed. Always factors are fixed. We won't get infinite. It has a finite. It's a fixed number. Finite number of factors we'll get. But the multiples are infinite. Multiples. What does mean by multiples? Multiples are for example, write the multiples of 6. What is the multiples of 6? Which and all numbers will come under the table in by 6? 6 table. Which and all numbers will get in the table 6? That is called the multiples. For example, 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. So on. If you would increase, you will get the infinite number of multiples. This is called the multiples. For example, write the multiples of 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. So on. These are all the multiples of 2. This is the, just we are writing the tables of 2, tables of 6, tables of 5. That is called the multiples. Factor is different. Factor is a fixed. It's a finite. We won't get the infinite. But here the multiples are infinite numbers. We'll get the infinite. If you would increase the numbers, we'll get the infinite number of multiples. Okay. Factors and multiples. Okay. And it has some rules. We can discuss about rules for a difference of multiples and factors. First rules. One is a factor of all the numbers. One is a factor of all the numbers. See, I said just now, I said one is a factor of all the numbers, because for every number will multiply, will divide by the number 1. So 1 is a factor of all the number itself. and number itself is also the factor. Number itself is also the factor of all the number. For example, 19. 19 is the factor of 1 and itself. So itself also 1. Both are always common for all the numbers. It's a factor. For example, 21. 21 is always divided by 21 itself, isn't it? So 21 is also a factor. And it is also divided by 1. So 1 is also a factor. Okay. So number of factors are fixed. Number of factors are fixed. Number of factors, just now I said, number of factors are fixed. Factors are fixed number. Factors are fixed. That's what just now I said 6. 6 means 2 3s are 6. 6 1s are 6. Only it has a 3. We can consider 1 also 4. Only 4 has a 4 number have a 4 numbers have a factor of 6. Only 4. So it's a fixed. It's a finite. Okay. But multiples are infinite. But factors are equal or less than. Factors are equal or less than the number. Factors are equal or less than the number. Factors are equal or less than the number. The factors are equal or less than number. For example, 6. 2 3s are 6 into 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many factors are there? 4 factors, isn't it? Total 4 factors. Means what? These factors are 4. 4 means less than a given number or equal to given number. Okay. It should not be a more than this number. The number of factors should not be a more than the given number. And next we can discuss the multiples are infinite number. Multiples are infinite. Multiples are infinite. Just now I said all the multiples will get the infinite number of multiples, because in a table you will get the infinite numbers. And these are equal or greater than the number. And these are equal and greater than the numbers. Equal and greater than the numbers. Equal and greater than the numbers. These are equal and greater than the numbers. So this is about some rules. Okay. So the next is write the factors of 68. Write the factors of 68. How we can write the factor? 68 is equal to 1 into 68. 68 is equal to 4 into 17. 68 is equal to 2 into 34. 68 is equal to 17 into 4. Both are same. So no need to write again. So these are all the factors of which and all factor? 1, 68, 4, 17, 2, 34 are the factors of 68. Are the factors of 68. This is called the factors of 68. Write the factors of 24. 2 into 12, isn't it? 24. 6 4s are 24. 3 8s are 24. So 24 into 1 is 24. So these are all the factors. Yeah, which and all? 2, 12, 6, 4, 3, 8, 24, 1 are the factors of 24. Are the factors of 24. Are called the factors of 24. I'll give some homework problem. Note down. Write the factors. Write the factors. 70, 25, 38, 72, 30, 86. Write the factors of these 6 numbers. Okay. Thank you.